How 13 Became Supercat by Master T. What's that up in the sky? Is it a plane? Is it a meteorite? Is it Supercat?
No, it's a dirt spot on the camera lens, you idiot.
Meanwhile...
Oh dear, I'm lost. Better find a cave to sleep in for the night. Oh, hey, look what I found. Who am I talking to? I'm alone. Well, I'm tired. Gonna catch some Z's.
Later...
Better get home now. Hey, I can fly. And I can teleport. Cool. Now to find Edgar. Edgar, look into my eyes. Edgar, be angry.
Grrr.
Edgar, be happy, then surprised.
Huh?
I must be Supercat. I'm off.
The end.